How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a bass like Overmono. Today we're going to be looking at my remix of Barbies by 163 Marks. Here's a preview of what my remix sounds like. Points, you ops, no FIFA, we small ops, no shisha, back the dot, then squeeze off fame at these Egypts, try leave it up on the t-shirts, civilians screaming out Jesus, double S now, but double S shotgun season, close, hit shots like Eden, or shots get shot from far, shoot shots like Steven, or ops are wet and there's no disagreement. If you like the sound of this track, this remix is actually just dropped on SoundCloud, so go check it out. I'll put a link for that in the description, but today I'm going to be showing you how I made the bass from it. Let's crack on. Great, so let's firstly have a look at the MIDI. It's pretty simple. Start on D sharp, up to B, down to G sharp, finish on F sharp. Repeats itself back to the D sharp, to the B. But as you can see, this ending is slightly different to this ending. The way I came up with this, I was just sort of playing the bass in with the vocal. So that's sort of like how I like to start. I don't think I had the kick, it was just the vocal. Scoring points, you ops, no FIFA, we small ops, no shisha, back the dot, then. And I just sort of clicked it in, moved around the notes until I found something that I liked. And yeah, this is what I sort of settled with. I wanted sort of, instead of it just to repeat itself over and over, I did kind of want the end of the 8 bar to be a little bit different, hence why I went for these different notes. Scoring points, you ops, no FIFA, we small ops, no shisha, back the dot, then squeeze off fame at these Egypts, try leave it up on the t-shirts, civilians screaming out Jesus, double S now, but double S shotgun season, close, hit shots like Eden, or shots get shot from far, shoot shots like Steven, or ops are wet and there's no disagreement. I feel like the whack put teeth in, then I be. Great, so if you have a look at how the sound was made, it's actually a preset for my ukgarage Volume 4 pack, and it's the Duality preset. The pack has over 50 of the sickest presets for making ukgarage like Overmono and Bicep. It's got tons of sick basses and leads, so definitely check it out. I'll put a link for it in the description. Great, so now I'm going to show you how to make it from scratch. So menu, initiate preset, go to oscillator A, turn on oscillator B. In both of them, we're going to go to digital and click hyper. Do the same in B, hyper. We then want to pitch this one down by 2 octaves. It's going to sound like this. Like Eden, or shots get shot from far, shoot shots like Steven, or ops are wet. Then want to pitch that down. We then want to pitch up the semitones by 7. This way it sort of makes a chord. Then get the filter, put it on 12. We need to take out some of the high end, put it on all of it, noise, sub. We also went on key track mode. So what that does is, say for example, this D sharp here is lower down than this B. So because this B is higher, the filter's going to open more. See? Then down. It basically makes it a lot more exciting. Let's add a little bit of drive, a little bit of res. It's going to be hard to get the sound exactly like the preset, but we're going to try and get it as close as we can. Let's now try and make it a little bit more analog. So on an analog synth, like the ones behind me, they're sometimes a little bit out of tune. So let's go to the fine tune and let's put this one up 7. And then this one, we just put it down like 5. Great, and let's also add a sub, and let's pitch that down by 2. So let's just go and keep it with a sine wave. If you hear that on its own, it's like really nice and low. We probably need headphones to be able to hear it. We can also do other tricks to make it a little bit more analog. So if we get, say, this Serum, add that on both, put it somewhere in the middle, about just go for 0. And then we can use something like this LFO to sort of manipulate that. So if we put it on both. Therefore it sort of detunes itself a little bit. You can also add this onto, say, the fine tune. Just a little bit. The way this sort of comes in and out of tune. There's a little click, so I go to envelope 1, bring up the attack a little bit. Not too much though. Maybe add a bit of release. Let's go mono. We could also put on porter. This way it's going to glide the notes. I'll exaggerate it. Let's go to the effects. Let's just add a little bit of chorus. It's up to you how much you want to add. It almost creates its own sort of separate sound. Let's add a bit of compression just to make it a bit louder. Bring that threshold down a little bit. You can add a little bit of white noise, make it a bit more dusty. Great, yeah, as you can hear, that's pretty close. The main sound comes from this +7.
I feel like the whack put teeth in, then I'm beating, have a hot boy leaking, double S down by shotgun season. I leave till a man start bleeding. Up block step with a broom man sweeping, cleaning, mashing my palm that sheening, big bad back my palm that beating. Step, 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 step. All of them Barbie pre.
In the next video, I'm going to be going over the rest of the track. So this includes this pad, sort of an Overmono style pad. I'll also be going over the drums, this string. Great, thank you very much for watching, guys. Go check out that track. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful. Cheers.